Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change the pad wash unavailable behavior on your robot Roomba Combo 10 Max Plus. So first, what you guys need to do is open the iRobot app. After you do that, wait a couple of seconds for everything to load. And now scroll down. Here, go to Product Settings and go to Cleaning Preferences. Now here, click on Pad Wash Unavailable Behavior, and now you can choose between Continue Mopping or Do Not Mop. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.